Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with question 3 of exercise 15A. So here if you see, the question is written on the board. So it said the marks scored in a test by 40 students of a class are recorded below. So it is 46, 51, 36, 46, 65, 73, 28, 45 and so on. The marks are given. Prepare a group frequency distribution table making the classes 21 to 30, 31 to 40 and so on. So you have to prepare a frequency distribution table and the class intervals are given to you 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So you can see over here it is discrete. The group class intervals which are there, it is discrete because it's ending at 30 and starting with 31. So it is not in the continuous form. So let's see how to go about it. Here you can see you have to prepare a table with 3 columns. First column will have class interval, second column tally marks, and third one frequency. You can see the class interval is 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60. So when you are subtracting, you can see 30 minus 21, 9. 40 minus 31, 9. So your class interval should be such that the difference between the lower limit and the upper limit should be same. So this first, when it is the class interval is starting with 21. So 21 is the lower limit and it is ending at 30. So 30 is the upper limit. And when you are subtracting the upper limit and the lower limit, the difference should be same. Okay, when you are taking the class interval. So 61 to 70, 71 to 80. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the tally marks according to the score or the marks which is given to us. So let's see how to go about it. So here you can see 46. So it will come between 40 to 41 to 50. So I strike off 46 and put over here one tally mark. Then 51 will come over here, 51 to 60. So it will come in this row. 36, cross 36, 31 to 40, it will be over here. 46, strike off 46. You can see 41 to 50, it will come over here. Then 65, you can see when you strike off 65, it will be 61 to 70 in this group. 73, strike off 73, it will be in the group 71 to 80. Strike off 28, it will be over here 21 to 30. 45, cancel and put it over here 41 to 50. 38, strike off 38 and it will be here 31 to 40. 58, put one tally mark over here 51 to 60. Strike off 63 and it will be between 61 to 70. Strike off 62, it will be over here 61 to 70. 52, 51 to 60. 69, strike off and it will be between 61 to 70. 42, it will be 41 to 50. 68, it will be now your 61 to 70, but as you have finished with 4 lines, the 5th line will be crossing over it. Okay, you have to put it over here so that it will be a group of 5. Now 54, you can say it will be between 51 to 60, so 54 one line. 54 again, so now 4 lines are there, so you'll cross this line like this, you'll put a slant line over here. Okay, so 55, now you'll start over here once again because 51 to 60 it is coming in that particular group. 39, strike off 39. 31 to 40 it will come over here. Then 48. 48 will be 41 to 50. 4 lines completed, strike off. 71. 71 to 80, you'll put over your 1 line. 68. It will be 61 to 70. So 1 line over here. And strike off. 32, strike off. It will be here 31 to 40. Strike off 53. It will be between 651 to 60. 50, strike off. It will be 41 to 50. 34 and put 1 line. Now you can see 4 lines are there. So I'll just put a slant line. 72, 71 to 80. So it will be over here. 41, strike off 41. It will be 41 to 50. 61, strike off 61. It will be 61 to 70. 41. So it will be over here. 53. It will be 51 to 60. 46. It will be 41 to 50. 66. 61 to 70. 35. 31 to 40. 43. 41 to 50. Now you can see 4 lines completed. So 1 more line. Slant line. 59. 51 to 60. It will be over here. 41. So 41 to 50. Again, it will be in this group. I put 59 and 41. So I'll strike it off. Now 26. 21 to 30. Strike it off. 45. It will be between 41 to 50. You can see here it is 2. Then it is 6. Then 12. Because 5 plus 5, 10, 10 and 2, 12. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 over here. This is 8. And over here it is 3. So now when you add 9, 12 plus 3, 15, 15, 20, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 2, 34, 34 plus 6, 40. So it's coming 40. So then it's perfect because total and this addition should match. So whatever you have done, tally marks and frequency is correct. Okay, children. Now we go to the next question. In the next question, you can see ages of 27 members of a club are given below, and it is in years. You have to prepare a group frequency distribution table taking classes 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So here you can see it is in continuous form because the upper limit of the first class interval and the lower limit of the second class interval is same. So it is in a continuous form. And you have to remember whenever you're preparing a frequency distribution table for the continuous class interval, in that case, though it is written 20 to 30, you have to remember that it is ending at 29. So if you have 30, for example, here, you have to place it in the class interval where it is starting with 30. So if the lower limit is 30, then only you can place 30 over here. So if the upper limit is 30, you have to understand it is ending at 29. Okay, so wherever the 30 is, where it is as a lower limit, where it is starting the class interval, there only you can place that number. Okay, because it is in even here in the first class interval, it is in the second class interval. So you have to remember that you have to place it in the second class interval where it is starting the class interval. Okay, children. Now here you can see I made a table for you: class interval, tally marks, and frequency. So now we are going to we are going to start with this. So here you can see 36. We cancel 30 to 40. So it will be over here. 1. 38. We cancel over here. Then 30 to 40 here. Then 40, as I told you that this is going to end at 39. So 40 means you are going to place it over. So 40. Then 52. Cancel 52. So 50 to 60 here. 50. Now as 50 you can see it is in the lower limit and the upper limit. So where it is in the upper limit and the lower limit. So where it is in the upper limit, where it is starting the class interval, there you will be placing that. 45 over here. 38. So can put over here. 69. So here. 29. Now 29 means it will be 20 to 30 in that group. 43, strike of 43. And it will be in 40 to 50. 27, strike of 27. It will be over here. 36, strike of 36. It will be 30 to 40 in this group. Then 39, cancel 39. As you can see 30 to 40, it will be in this group. So 4 lines we have already finished. We'll put a slant line. 43, strike of 43 will be in this. Why you are striking off? So that you know that till where you have marked. It becomes easy. 65, first strike off and then put the line. So you know that in that order you're going. So 60 to 70 there. 51, strike of 51, it is in this class interval 50 to 60. Then 48, strike of 48, it is in this particular class interval 40 to 50. Put a slant line. Then 50, as you can see it is in the upper limit and the lower limit. So where it is in the lower limit, there it will be placed. So here you have to place it 50. Then 51, it will be here. So here you can see 4 lines we have already finished. Strike it off. 49. So 49 is here in this 40 to 50. 41. 41 to 50, as it is 40 to 50, we'll place 41 over here. So 63, strike of 63, 60 to 70 in that particular group. 41, strike of 41, 40 to 50 in that group. Strike of 38, 30 to 40 in that group. Then 42, strike off, it will be in this group. 40 to 50. Strike of 51, it will be in this particular group, 50 to 60. Strike of 46, it will be between 40 to 50. Now you can see over here 4 lines are done. We will strike it. Now we have to write the frequency by using the tally mark. So here you can see 2 lines, so frequency is 2. Here you can see 5 plus 1, 6. So frequency is 6. Here it is 10. This is 5 plus 1, 6 again. and this is 3. So now you have to add and check, because whatever you have done, you have to add and see whether you are total and whatever the total members were given, and when you add this frequency it should be same. So 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, 24, 27. So it's coming same. So then whatever you have done is correct. So children, just remember that when you are writing the class intervals, okay, when it is said that you have to prepare the frequency distribution table using the grouped class intervals. So when you're writing the discrete one, there is no problem. But if it is continuous, so then remember that wherever it is the 30, number 30, if it is coming as the upper limit in the class interval, if you have 30 and if you have to put tally marks, you have to have where it is in the lower limit. So where it is starting the class interval, that is, it is the lower limit, there you will be placing 30, because this is ending till 29. Though it's written 30, but it is still 29 only, the previous number, it's ending till there. And remember that when you subtract the upper limit and the lower limit, whatever answer you get, the difference, 10, that should be same for all the class intervals. Well, so here also you can see 40 minus 30, it is 10. So 50 minus 40 is 10. So the class interval should be such that the class size, we call it, it should be same. Okay, children, thank you very much. Copy it and write it down in your notebook.